This video we're going to show how LogScope is used for both time and depth streaming of data. We then select the WITSML server and then the well that we're going to use. You'll be presented with a menu that allows you to select the auto-populate option, and that's what we're going to select. We're going to choose the auto-populate option and we're going to do the depth first. So we choose the auto-populate and we're going to use a template to select the curves. We set the sample rate to be 0.5 of a foot and then we hit OK. So when it comes back we change the VU to be percent and then we set the deviation, the trajectory to be trajectory, and the mudlog's OK. The next thing we do is when we hit OK, we will be presented with a default template. We're going to change the template, and then by selecting the template that we know has the data in it. Once selected, it will change what we see on the screen. So we've got the descriptions, the mudlog, and the images, and a few of the logs that are in there. And then we hit the play mode. LogScope will continue to stream the data as the data comes in. To view the time data, we go back and we can hit the setup button and we're brought back to the same menu at the start, and we can select the time, and again we want to do the auto-populate, and in this case we're going to do a template as well, and then we're going to select the template to be the time-based data, and then we know that this data is at 15 seconds. Once we've done this, we then hit OK on the next menu and we return to the previous menu and we complete the task. Once the tasks are completed, we can change the time, and then the next thing we have to do is change the view and make sure that we have the correct offset so the data comes in as rig time. LogScope has the ability to change between rig, local and UTC time. In this case we're going to use rig time, which is -5, and we hit OK, and then we can go to WITSML and we press play and it will display the data. The scale can be changed by using the scale button in the top right hand side, or it can be changed by using your fingers to pinch and squeeze the scale. The other thing is you can go to anywhere on the plot whilst it's in streaming mode. You use the go to button, which is highlighted in the top left hand strip on the screen. Once you press that, you can choose any time or simply the top or the bottom. The data will continue to stream in as long as LogScope is active, and it will not stop. You can minimize and put it in background. The only way to stop the streaming is by hitting the X button. Thank you for your time.